Hello and welcome to today's December 9th, 2025 Crypto News Update. It's been a while since we've done a dedicated video just recapping all the biggest stories in crypto. So today, we're doing it. And there's some pretty big stories we're gonna have to cover. So, here we go. Let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is coming in at about $107,459 on MarketCypher. We're looking at about a 1.4% increase over the last 24 hours. The market cap for Bitcoin stands at approximately $2.05 trillion. Dominance is coming in at 46.7%. Taking a look at the charts, we can see that Bitcoin is actually holding steady above that $105,000 mark, suggesting that the support zone remains strong. Analysts are suggesting that the current market conditions indicate a consolidation phase, with the next direction highly dependent on upcoming macroeconomic cues. One such cue is the ongoing trade discussion between the United States and China. If an agreement is reached, it could boost market sentiment, positively impacting Bitcoin's price. Conversely, if negotiations falter, uncertainty may drive investors towards safer assets, potentially leading to a pullback in Bitcoin's value. The ETH/BTC ratio is coming in at 2.044. That's an increase of 2.3% over the last 24 hours, and this represents the value of ETH divided by the value of Bitcoin. So when this goes up, it means that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, and we'll get into some specific reasons why. That's happening later on in the video. Let's check out the top coins moving in the top 24 hours. We're going to start with the top gainers. The top gainer today is, of course, Shiba Inu, with an incredible 5,762% spike in its burn rate. We'll talk more about that a little bit later in the video. We also have Synthetics SNX. They're up 18.55%. Perpetual Protocol, PRPS, up 13.7%. Cosmos, Atom, is up about 10%. QNT is up over 10%. Near Protocol, Near, is up about 10%. Helium Network, HNT, up 9.8%. Move to the Shadows, M2 is up 9.6%. And lastly, IOST is up 9.4%. And then taking a look at the top losers, we do have Axie Infinity. Axe is down about 5%. Maker, MK are down about 3%. Solana, SOL down about 2.75%. Cardano, ADA down about 2.7%. OKB, TKO down to 0.4%. Chainlink, Link down to 0.3%. Litecoin, LTC down to 0.1%. Bitcoin Cash, BCH down 1.9%. Uniswap, UNI down 1.9%, and lastly, Dogecoin, Doge down 1.8%. So before we continue with the rest of the news, I want to give you guys an update on something that we've been talking about for weeks now. You guys have been asking for it. Our team has been working on it. We finally have it ready to roll out to you guys. What I'm talking about is our new free DeFi for Beginners guide. This is a completely free downloadable PDF guide that will walk you through everything you need to know to start earning yield on your crypto. It's gonna show you the best places to earn high yield on your stablecoins. It's gonna show you how to use decentralized exchanges, how to interact with popular protocols like SushiSwap, and much, much more. This is a beginner-friendly guide written by our team specifically for people who want to learn how to actually use DeFi. This is not financial advice. We're not telling you to go out and do this. We're simply explaining how it works, and then it's up to you to make your own decisions with your own money. This is for educational purposes only. So if you want to check out our brand new free DeFi for Beginners guide, head on over to our website where you can download it absolutely free. There's no strings attached. Alright, let's get back to the news. Let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is trading around $2,537. This is an increase of 1.8% over the last 24 hours. The market cap is coming in at approximately $215 billion. Now, interestingly enough, Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin in terms of its relative strength index. If you didn't know, the RSI is a technical analysis tool used to determine whether a market is overbought or oversold. When the RSI is above the 70 line, it's considered overbought. When the RSI is below the 30 line, it's considered oversold. Right now on the 1-hour time frame, the RSI for Bitcoin is coming in at 50.5. The RSI for Ethereum is coming in at 60.4. This suggests that even though both assets are in a neutral territory, Ethereum has less downside potential than Bitcoin. According to data from CoinGlass, Ethereum saw strong capital inflows in the past week totaling $145 million, primarily driven by its spot ETFs. On the other hand, Bitcoin experienced limited inflows of only $27 million, mostly attributed to the Bitcoin Strategy ETF. Despite this, Bitcoin still holds a significant share of 57% in total assets under management, whereas Ethereum has increased its stake to 37%. Year to date, it has seen net inflows of $1.6 billion, marking a reversal from the previous year's outflows. The report highlights the evolving investor sentiment towards Ethereum as they adjust their portfolios based on the asset's performance and market prospects. One of the main reasons why Ethereum is seeing a lot of attention lately is due to the recent network upgrade called Petra. The successful completion of this upgrade has sparked optimism among developers. According to Electric Capital's monthly report, the number of active Ethereum developers reached a record high of 5,551 in October. This surpasses the previous peak of 5,358 recorded in August. The report attributes this growth to the ecosystem's focus on developer experience and end-user utility. Notably, Vitalik Buterin's development activity has significantly increased, contributing to the overall momentum. Next, let's discuss SHIB. SHIB has seen a massive 5,760% spike in its burn rate. This dramatic surge in token burns has ignited speculation about the driving forces behind this unexpected move. While the exact catalyst for this event remains uncertain, it comes amidst broader market attention on Shiba Inu. This might be due to recent developments like the launch of Shibarium's official website and a partnership with Bonfida, a Solana-based analytics provider. Additionally, the possibility of Shibarium being integrated with Ledger, a popular hardware wallet provider, adds to the excitement surrounding the token. The substantial increase in SHIB burns reflects a growing interest in the token and the potential impact of these integrations on its value. Now briefly touching upon XRP. XRP is currently priced at 98 cents. This represents a slight decrease of 0.7% over the past 24 hours. The market cap stands at $53.5 billion. Now if you're unfamiliar, Ripple's annual developer conference, SIR 2025 is taking place in San Francisco on December. During the event, Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple's CEO, is scheduled to deliver a keynote speech. This follows the recent positive news regarding Ripple's ongoing lawsuit with the SEC. However, despite this positive backdrop, XRP's price is currently facing downward pressure. The price has remained relatively stagnant for several months now, indicating a lack of significant upward momentum. Some analysts suggest that the market might be awaiting further clarity on the lawsuit's outcome before making any substantial moves. Others believe that the price could be influenced by broader market sentiment towards crypto regulations. Regardless, investors continue to monitor XRP closely as the case progresses and its future trajectory remains uncertain. Now moving on, we have some big news coming out of the United Kingdom. The UK's Financial Conduct Authority (FCA) is reportedly considering lifting the ban on retail investors trading crypto-linked exchange-traded notes ETNs. The FCA had previously banned the sale of certain crypto derivatives in January of 2021, citing concerns over their complexity and risks. The proposed move to lift the ban was mentioned in the FCA's policy statement on enhancing competition in the retail investment market. The FCA aims to level the playing field for investment firms by allowing them to offer a wider range of investment products, including those linked to crypto assets. This development could potentially open doors for more institutional-style investment products in the UK crypto market. However, the FCA intends to mitigate risks through measures such as requiring firms to provide clear disclosures and warnings to investors about the risks involved in investing in crypto assets. Moving on to some news in the United States. U.S. House Republicans have unveiled a proposal for a bill that outlines steps for expanding the country's Bitcoin reserves. The proposed bill, titled the CONONY Act of 2025, includes provisions for expanding the nation's Bitcoin Strategic Reserve (SSR), which serves as a contingency fund for emergency situations. The SSR currently holds an undisclosed amount of Bitcoin along with Ethereum and select altcoins acquired through previous stimulus packages. The proposed bill aims to bolster the reserve by allocating $10 billion towards purchasing additional Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets. The expansion of the SSR reflects the growing recognition of cryptocurrencies as potential long-term strategic holdings and a hedge against economic uncertainties. It also highlights the U.S. government's interest in fostering innovation and competitiveness within the digital asset market. The proposed bill is part of a larger initiative to establish the United States as a global leader in digital asset development and adoption. So, closing thoughts on today's market. Capital appears to be rotating out of Bitcoin and into Ethereum. Regulatory doors are starting to crack open in the UK, and meme coins like Shiba Inu are making noise. All eyes are on US inflation data this week. A bullish outcome could be the fuel the market needs to launch into the next leg of the bull run. That's your crypto update for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more daily crypto insights. Let us know in the comments below, are you buying ETH, holding BTC, or betting on SHIB? Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.